Scribe is available on several different platforms, and you can use a single Scribe account to access your plans across all of them. If you always have access to the internet when completing your plans, we have a browser-based sketcher that requires no installation. Just log in, tap the Sketcher tab, and off you go. If internet access is a problem, or you want to use a tablet device, we have Android, iOS and Windows versions that can be installed on your device and will work offline. You can download the Windows application from our website, scribe.apex-mt.com, where you can also find links to the App Store and Play Store for our iOS and Android versions. Once your chosen version is installed, simply log in to access your existing plans or create new ones. Our applications are able to work offline, but when a connection is available, Scribe will sync your data to our server to ensure your plans are backed up and can be accessed on the other platforms.